Jethro, where's your mustache? Jethro, where's that mustache? There it is! Hi, good morning. This is Nick Kaiser coming at you from Scottsdale, Arizona. We're out here looking at a bathroom we've been working on, and that led to multiple other projects. And I'd like to show you what we did in this bathroom. This area here, which is had a tub before, she ditched the tub and she wants to put in a nice sauna there. This shower we extended. It had a curb before, and it was a snail shower. We took out the middle wall, which created a nice open space. The curbless entry is a great feature. We extended this wall here. Over here we added the niche with a glass shelf. We stocked these in the warehouse. Before, the shower controls were on this wall, and we moved them over to this wall. We added this beautiful heavy glass door. Very clean. Yep, frameless door. The customer's gonna have her own painter come in to take care of this painting. After we're out of here, I'll give an updated video once we get the finished product. The closet, we ended up keeping the carpet in the closet. And you can see the color the customer's going with there. But all in all, it turned out very beautiful. Hi, it's Nick Kaiser with Mustache Approved Remodeling coming to you from Phoenix, Arizona. This project is our Scottsdale 2.0. We had extra work at this project. Let's get right into it. We did the floors out here. Then we did the fireplace as well. And her kitchen backsplash and countertops done before we got here. You can see there's a nice arch there. We had to use a piece of rubber matching baseboards to make that curve. Flooring came through here. What you just saw in there was one or two tiles. One had a little chip in it, and the other one was just had a little raise to it. We use a clip system so that our tiles are perfectly flat, but occasionally you might have one that's a little bit out. Well, we're gonna go out of our way and change that out because we want a perfect project. Hi, it's Nick Kaiser, Mustache Approved Remodeling. We are back out here at our friends Dana and Joe's house. I want to show you after the painting. We were waiting a bit for the painters to come in. The client had their own painters come in to paint. I want to show you how it turned out. So here's the fireplace we did. Before it had a hearth, and we took that out. We did a pop out so that it had a little more depth to it. You can see if you look to the side here, it pops off the wall. And the client decided to save their carpet. So we ended up changing out the floors, but you can see we pulled up the tack strip and we put it a little further in so we could have a nice clean line through there, perfect cuts. So as you can see, we did a 12 by 24 tile from Arizona Tile. It's called a Canyon Series, ivory color. Real popular. It's hard to find this stuff. It's hard to keep it in stock because it's such a popular tile right now. So we ran the tile through here. She ended up saving these carpet as well. We did replace all these baseboards. You can see how we do our baseboards. We have matching corners. So they're not the types that pop out. They have the sleek, same height, same look all the way around. So it's nice and clean and sleek. And we fill that in with mud, and we sand them down and make sure they're perfectly flush so that they really have a clean look to them. Back here, I know I mentioned this in another video, we actually have an arch there, so we had to do a rubber base. It's the same, it matches the same profile so that we can make that bend, because you can't a lot of times bend that the wood baseboards or the MDF to hit that curve like that. So that's actually an extra charge because it costs more for that stuff. But we ran that tile through here into this powder bath around the corner. We had to pop, when we're doing flooring, we got to pop the toilet, pop off that pedestal sink, and then reinstall those afterwards. We also came down into here, front entrance, laundry room, as well as this little closet. Customer kept the carpet in the bedroom here, and we replaced the flooring in this bathroom. It's also the Canyon Ivory Series, but it's a 24 by 24. We did keep carpet in the closet here. We did replace the tile all the way into here, this little closet as well. So there was a tub here before. What a difference without the with the painting done it makes. You can really see how well this finished out. This was, if you remember, a snail shower with a wall running straight across here. So this was actually, we built this out. It was back here. So we built this wall over. Let's see here. And then we have what we typically do. We got our niche with a glass shelf. And then we have basically a 2-person shower with a diverter. So you can turn this and run one function. You can turn it and run the other function, or you can run them both at the same time. So it could be a 2-person shower if you choose. There's a lot of room in here. You can see we did a curbless entry. So there's this is a nice big shower after we took this wall that was right here out. And we moved the plumbing over to this other side. So this is really pretty nice shower. This is the Reside Beige series, and it's a tile that has a texture to it. So it's pretty nice. It has real sharp lines, a little more modern. Love how this turned out with a nice, sleek, heavy glass door, and that curbless entry is nice to not have to step over a curb. So thanks for sticking around to catch the end of this job. Just wanted to get the painted final look for you guys to see how it turned out. And if you like these videos, like and subscribe. Follow us for more, and we got a lot more to come. All right, thanks. Have a good day. Bye.